Hello everyone. This is a packaging machine. Now the machine is packing a single piece of tissue. This type of packaging machine, it can pack all kinds of small and medium-sized goods. It runs stably and automatically packs. It saves you labor costs. High-speed operation creates economic value for you. It is worth mentioning its sensing system. When the machine senses that no goods enter the machine, it will stop automatically, helping you save packaging materials. If you want to know more, please contact us. Phone, WeChat, WhatsApp 86-180-6647-6286. Email info@ledma.com. https://www.ledma.com